Understanding the phrase, in jail. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the phrase, in jail. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in your conversations. The phrase, in jail, refers to someone being confined or imprisoned in a facility, often because they've committed a crime. It can be used both literally and figuratively. Literal meaning, someone is physically locked up in a jail or prison. Example, Tom is in jail because he stole a car. Figurative meaning, this can imply that someone feels trapped or confined in a situation, but they aren't necessarily in a physical jail. Example, I feel like I'm in jail when I'm at my 9-to-5 job. It's essential to distinguish between in jail and other related terms. In jail versus in prison. While both refer to confinement, jail usually denotes a facility for those awaiting trial or serving short sentences. On the other hand, prison is for those serving longer sentences. Correct. He's in jail awaiting his court date. Correct. She's in prison serving a 10-year sentence. Avoid exaggerating. Using in jail figuratively can be powerful, but be cautious not to overuse it or use it in situations where it might be inappropriate or offensive. In jail can appear in various contexts, adding depth and richness to your English conversations. 1. Describing past events. 2. Did you hear about Peter? He was in jail for a few days last year. 3. Expressing sympathy or concern. 4. I heard your brother's in jail. I'm so sorry. 5. Figuratively, expressing feelings. 6. With all these lockdown restrictions, I feel like I'm in jail. There you have it, dear learners. We hope you now have a clearer understanding of the phrase, in jail, and its diverse usage in the English language. Remember, as with any phrase or word, context is crucial. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using it like a pro. Until our next lesson, happy learning!